This is a small introduction to the oneisall pet fountain. Let me first show you the main parts. This is the container that would hold the pet's water. This is the lid that will go on top. But let me point out, there's a compartment right here. When you first get it, you have to open up that compartment. You can do it one-handed. Hold on. There. In this little compartment is this little filter. You have to remember to pull it out and soak it for 5 minutes. It's like charcoal and something else. You put that in there, close it up. Then you set that on top of the container. Now, this is the main unit. The controls on there, the booklet will tell you how to operate it. This can be operated by plugging in and leaving plugged in the whole unit, or it also has a battery that takes about 5 hours to charge, and you can operate it, like say you go on a trip or something, and you're taking the dog outside the car or the cat or whatever, and you want to give them water, you can go ahead and operate this without it being plugged in. Now, I don't have it plugged in to the power, so it's strictly on battery now. So what you do, you hold down the button for 3 seconds, and the water starts filling it up. There is a little slot right here. You can't see it, like on your bathroom sink. The water can overflow, and it goes right back into the container. But remember, when it's sucking it up from its little pump, hear how quiet it is? When it's sucking it up through the pump, it's coming through that extra filter that is in the lid. And there is another filter that is in, turn that off, this little bottom area right there. It's a little black filter. So anything that your pet has, like food they've just eaten and it's gotten in there, it's going to get captured. But here, I'll turn it back on. Now, this can be continuous, or you can also tap it lightly, and if we step away from it, you step away, and then you start getting closer, and it turns back on again. And if we leave it long enough, it will turn off. So, anyway, it's pretty good. Cats love the running water more than dogs do, but I'm going to give it a shot and see how my dog does with it. Is that pretty good? You like that? That's not like your regular water bowl, is it?